The other request of the major group for youth, Gregory, if you're in the room, if you would like to take the floor. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Madam Moderator. Your Excellencies, I would like to re-echo the importance of soil and water because they are the foundation of life on Earth. And without healthy soil, our ability to feed the growing regional population and the global population as well, and ensure food security will be severely compromised. So I'd like to state very specific interventions that I feel are very important for member states to take into consideration to ensure that we have food security at all levels globally. So member states should develop and implement a comprehensive soil conservation policy that prioritizes sustainable soil management. That should also include incentives to encourage farmers and landowners to adopt soil-friendly practices, and also strengthen and establish robust soil monitoring and reporting mechanisms to track changes in soil health and to also prevent soil erosion, improve soil fertility, enhance water infiltration, reduce the need for synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. This will potentially increase the agricultural productivity, better water quality, and healthy ecosystem. And it is also important to prioritize soil education and training programs for farmers, landowners, agricultural professionals, and also provide financial and technical support for farmers who adopt sustainable agricultural practices that promote soil health. This can include subsidies for organic farming, agroforestry initiatives, and the use of cover crops and conservation tillage methods. So the youths are already organizing themselves when it comes to the use of soil and land. In 2019, the UNCCD mandated UNCCD Youth Caucus as a formal mechanism to engage in the convention. ECOSOC and the United Nations General Assembly have mandated major groups for the engagement. Furthermore, FAQ and Rome-based agencies have diverse methods of engagement with youth, and we call upon member states and UN agencies to ensure designated spaces are also provided for youth input to be reflected in the policies around the theme of soil production. The upcoming year 2024 is a critical one, marked by the review of SDG 2 and SDG 13 at the high-level political forum, and discussions on the many different thematics culminating at the Summit of the Future. Soil protection and the priorities at the Summit of the Future, especially under the same theme, sustainable development. As Youth Constituency, we will be organizing and engaging at a number of key avenues and moments, including youth assemblies towards the high-level political forum and Summit of the Future. So we invite your support of member states and every other delegate in this room. Thank you so much, and hope we take this recommendations, interventions into action.
All of us have heard you loud and clear. And thank you again for being here and voicing the concerns of youth.